Well, thank you for watching in advance here an episode of Salone's Reviews. Today is another Godo unboxing. This one I believe is called the White Warrior. Again, common with the Godo kits. Just because it's got some pictures on the front there, it doesn't mean that's what's in the box. So I'll just do a quick flip. But yeah, what's in there is not any of these guys. Oh yeah, so let's get it opened up here. Again, thank you very much to my current subscribers. And I ask that if you're watching this video that you consider subscribing, or at least hit that like button when you get to the point through the video that you're comfortable with hitting the like button. I really appreciate it. My goal was to get 100 subscribers by the end of August. And I'm at 16. So, so close. So close. I would really appreciate it if you hit that subscribe button. Alright, here we go. Let's just jump into it here. And I'm pretty sure this is what it is. Let's see here. Oh, they got 3 pieces of tape on this one. Let's see. There we go. There we go. Oop, there we are. Alright. Let's get opened up here. Yeah, there we go. Cool. Alright. There that. Ooh, that's a hefty book. Let's move this aside here for a second. We'll take a look at the book here. Okay, so that's what we're building. It's a quadrupedal mobile suit type build. Kind of reminds me of the Zendo Limbo. I don't know if you're familiar with the, I believe it's the Knights and Magic manga or anime series. I built the Zendo Limbo plastic model kit, which maybe I'll throw a picture of it real quick on the screen there. And that's what it reminds me of. Let's see, look at our stickers here. Nice shiny gold. I'm not a huge sticker fan. I just don't have the motor skills anymore. I don't know if I ever really did, but I'm a very shaky kind of person, and probably put stickers on is a chore for me. But I don't hate it. It certainly can dress up a build. And yeah, so let's just take a quick look through the book here. With the Godo, I do like their instructions. I find their instructions to be you know, fine and adequate. I'd say the only thing with their builds that I wish they could do more of is be a little bit more, tell you a little bit more about the mech. If they could come up with use a little bit of imagination and tell you a little bit more about the mech, I think that would be pretty awesome. You know, describe its armor, its weapons, or things like that. I think that would just add a little bit more to it. At the front, see, it looks like it describes 12 bags. I'm not sure. I don't know if these were supposed to be steps initially, and then they just decided to chuck in the towel after they got to bag 6 or something, or what. But let's see, 190. Let's go. No, it looks like 190 is the end of the build. So chances are all these extra bags beyond 5 are probably just. So I've noticed Godo will sometimes put like special gold and silver pieces in their own bag or something like that. So maybe that's what's going on there. I don't know. Oh yeah, so here's this bag 1 and 6 plus bag 12. So we're definitely just throwing in extra bags there with each numbered bag. Which is fine by me. Whatever. Let's see. Yeah, typical. As you build, the blocks are already there, turn gray, kind of grayed out, and the new bricks are going to be, you know, the color of the brick's supposed to be, which is what we expect. So far, the color looks pretty good. Sometimes I find the color can get kind of washed out in some of these instruction books, but so far this looks pretty good. Black is definitely black. We got this, where I'm guessing those are stickered on there. Gold definitely looks gold. I won't turn over every individual page because there's a lot of pages in this book. It is thick. How many pages is it? Let's see. 82, 86, 87 pages in theory. I guess you can call it 88 maybe if you wanted to. But yeah, but that's what she looks like when she's all done. Oh, and it looks like maybe you can separate it to where you have a bipedal, and then the back edge, just click on the extra 2 legs there, I guess. Maybe that's escape mode. Yeah, pretty cool. And then you got a couple, or 3 new other builds on the back there. I'll have to look those guys up. That one looks kind of fun to me, and that one maybe. I don't know. Alright. Oh, let's take a look at the breasts. Let's see what we got. I don't know if you enjoy these unboxing videos very much. I try to keep them brief because there's not much going on here. All I'm doing is flipping through stuff, but I do enjoy and appreciate you watching. Let's see, definitely got wrecking up my stickers. Good God. Yeah, so we got the bags and the numbers on the bags. Let's see. And here's bag 8, and it still has quite a bit of small pieces in it, so it's not just like larger odds and ends. They're all still small pieces. Let's take a look at these gold ones. So all these gold and silver printed ones are in bag 12. Okay. Alright. And here in bag 5, we have some larger pieces and some new transparent ones. Those are kind of cool. I will say the high Godo ones, I really see a number of different types of bricks that I don't see in your standard Lego sets. So, I mean, they definitely do some customization of the parts. And their mobile suits that I've built so far are really custom looking. They've got rounded shapes to them, and they've got really nice shapes and shadows and images and stuff like that. Their silhouette is what I'm trying to say is neat. It's very impressive. Alright, well, I'll get all these bags organized and probably back in the kit so that I can put it all together here real soon on camera for you and give it a thorough review. Thanks again for watching Stallona's Reviews. Please like and subscribe. Please consider supporting me on Patreon. You might have the privilege of being the first paid person to see me on or support me on Patreon. I do upload the videos on my Patreon account so that on the paid tier you can watch them without having to worry about a bunch of commercials. Some of the longer ones, I have some videos that are upwards of 40 minutes as they have different things in them that you can watch if you want to, and I've tried to get through those with the YouTube ads, but it'd probably be painful. Alright, thanks again for watching. I finally got around to writing an outro to give you plenty of time to hit those like and subscribe buttons. Thanks again to those of you who have already subscribed, and one of you will have the good luck to be my first paid tier patron on Patreon if you subscribe today. For $3 a month, you get access to my videos without having to watch ads. Thank you in advance.